tried calling someone on Messenger and suddenly got blocked by strange permission errors that make no sense and stop you instantly. If you ignore this issue and keep trying repeatedly, your account can get temporary restrictions or your calls may stop working completely for some time. Disclaimer: this content is only for educational and informational purposes. Reason. This problem usually happens because of privacy settings and permission limits set by either you or the other person. When you see a message like "you are not contacts on Messenger," it means the person has not accepted your request or you are not in their friend list, so your call becomes a request instead of a direct call. Also, if you see no permission to start conference calls for this group, it means the group admin has restricted calling features or you are not allowed to initiate calls inside that group. Another reason can be app permissions disabled in your phone settings like microphone or call access. Sometimes outdated app version or temporary server glitches can also cause this issue. In some cases, Messenger limits calling features for new accounts or accounts with unusual activity patterns. Safe solution. First, check if you are friends with the person or if they have accepted your message request. If not, send a normal message and wait for acceptance before calling. Second, go to your phone settings, open apps, then Messenger, and make sure microphone and call permissions are enabled. Third, update your Messenger app from Play Store because old versions often create bugs. Fourth, if it is a group issue, ask the admin to enable calling permissions or make you an admin if needed. Fifth, log out and log in again to refresh your session. Sixth, clear app cache from settings to remove temporary errors. Seventh, avoid calling too many unknown people in a short time because this can trigger restrictions. Finally, if nothing works, wait for some time because sometimes it is a temporary server issue and gets fixed automatically. If you follow these steps properly, your Messenger calling problem will be solved and you will avoid future restrictions easily.